this is Jody. Welcome back to my channel, Northern Country Creations, and I'm doing a book review today. And I thought I would pop on this book because I've used so many pages out of it that there's not much left to show, and I wanted to show you this book before it's gone. So, and then there's a little bonus I'm going to show you. So let's do this one first. So let me zoom in just a tad so you can see this book closer. Okay, so this is 6 inches by 7.5. It's a book 2, The Flower Painter's Pocket Palette, Practical Visual Advice on How to Paint Flowers, Adeline Fletcher. I don't know, it's book 1, 3, or more because I have no idea. This is the spine. And then this is the back. And the ISBN number is 0-7858-1173-7 if you're interested in finding this book. I know I am because I need to find another one. It has a cover on it, but it's just a royal blue cover with a silver embossing spine. Okay. So let's take a look at this book. I just absolutely adore this book. It is copyright 2000, so it's 20 years old. But I love the illustrations and how this book looks. It's just absolutely beautiful flowers. And I've already tore out all of these pages in between. These pages are like the ones that are left glued in. But this is a sewn-in spine. You can take the pages out. It's just these are the ones that are left that are glued in. So, like this one here. So this one I've already cut out. So you just cut it out with, I use a razor blade, my curved blade, and just pop them out. I don't damage the pages that way. And then you get an entire page. Look at that. Look how beautiful that page is to add into your journal. So I love this book for that reason, that it's sewed in signatures. So let's take a look through the, now remember, I'm missing all these pages, so this is just an idea of, you know, what's in this book, because the pages are just all almost gone. Yeah, and this is just a beautiful muted yellow. It's just gorgeous. So here I'll show you, I just use my razor blade. That's it. So simple and effortlessly. To use that type of a razor blade. I never use scissors because scissors damages the paper, and then you just pull it out. It's that simple. And then look, you have a beautiful, beautiful page with nothing ripped or no gouges in the paper. So I got to get me another one of these books because it's almost gone. See, I didn't show you every one because but I don't know what 1 and 2 or what the other books are, but I gotta find me another one. So I will show you this. When I was at the thrift store and picked up a bunch of books, this was in a book actually. So this is some pages of a vintage book that obviously somebody tore out. So let's take a look. Oops. Let's take a look at these pages. Okay, so it's an introduction to wildflowers by James Kiernan, illustrated by Tabia Hoffman, Hanover House book. Okay, so there's some pages here. Looks like copyright 1952. This is all that's left of this book. Somebody saved these pictures. So it has beautiful illustrations of flowers in here. So I would love to find this book. Now that I have a copyright and a name, I can try to find this book, because obviously the whole book is probably like this. Look at those flowers. Just beautiful. So all there was 1 through 20. I want to know what the rest of the book is. So that was just a little bonus I got with at the thrift store. So I want to search for that book. And then I got to find another one of these. All right. Well, thank you for joining me on another book review. And hopefully you're enjoying my book reviews. All right. Thank you so much. All right. Bye-bye.